Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we have unboxing of the February Look Incredible box, and I already peeked into it. It's amazing, and the box looks itself like this. It comes every other month, and for me with shipping and everything it's 81 euros. So let's get into it, and the first item in this beautiful box is from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Beauty Light wand. I already tried it on my hand because I just couldn't resist, but it's basically this kind of liquid illuminator. It comes with a sponge applicator, and look how beautiful and reflective it is. See, you can like blend it into the skin. I can still see it in, I don't know how well it picks up on the camera, but in person it leaves like very glow within, and I really do love that. And it retails for 29 pounds. Next we have something from Becca. It's their Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss. It is 18 pounds. It's shade Champagne Dream, and oh my god, this looks so beautiful. Can we talk about it? It's the perfect nude lip topper, and let me do a little swatch here. You see how reflective and gorgeous it is. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So that's in it. I mean, for me it's like I'm in love with this box already, I can tell you. So next we have a body lotion. This is from Lancome La Vie est Belle. I most probably butchered this name, but yeah, it's the body lotion. It smells so good. I would have wanted to get some, maybe a fragrance rather than a body lotion, but I'm okay with that. Makeup would have been my something I would have wanted more, but I think body lotion is okay as well, and that retails for 41 pounds. It's not like it's cheap. So next we have something from Dior. It's the Dior Show Maximizer 3D Triple Volume Plumping Lash Primer. It retails for 20 pounds. Oh, I have one thing to buy a new primer. Basically, I wanted to do like some brow looks a bit colorful, and I wanted to make them kind of white, if you know what I mean. So this will be so handy. It's super beautiful. I love Dior, and I can't wait to try it. Then the only item left for is the Too Faced contour palette. I haven't had it. I have been eyeing it before. I have like Instagram giveaway going on right now where you can win one of these, and then there is eyeshadow palette from them. It's like a big giveaway of Too Faced products. It's a collab giveaway, so anyway, I got this. It retails for 32 pounds, and this is how it looks. And you have like your contouring and highlighting shades. This is like medium. This is more like darker shade here. But yeah, it smells like chocolate. It's beautiful, and I cannot wait to try it out. It's gonna be awesome. So the total value of things falling over. The total value of this box is 145 pounds and 20 cents. Anyways, 145.20 pounds. So I will calculate it how much it is in euros. So the value in euros is 167 euros and 15 cents. I think it's amazing value. I at least got like 80 euros worth more than what I paid for it, so I mean it was okay. I mean it's amazing box. I do love their Look Incredible boxes, and I like it doesn't come every month, it comes every other month, and it came in this kind of box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I can't wait to try everything out and let you guys know on my blog how I like it. And yeah, if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.